is so fun and everything is better with organization. Let's check these out. Frustration-free packaging, gotta love it. Color selection is lovely. Ooh, travel storage instructions for use, very smart. Impressive that it all stores away in this one pouch. It just keeps going and going. So we have this one, the sizes are right on there, very nice. So many different uses for this. Back to the original package that it came in. This is a nice little carrying case, and I could see this for home use outside of travel as well. You could keep cords and different components in here just to keep things nice and tidy at home, and slip it away in a drawer or cabinet. Looks very sleek. Again, be used for so many different things. As a major fan of traveling and someone who's hoping to go a whole lot more, I am really enjoying this travel set just from having unboxed it and taking a look at it. So I am going to put it to use for my first trip. But there are so many different components. So this one has a drawstring, and then I did, just for convenience, put some of them inside of each other, so nesting. So we have this one, this one, all right, you can tell there's a lot of different styles here. This one is going to open like this, so you'll see it's gonna have that much height since it has some of the structure to it. But the best way to be able to tell what is going to function like is to actually fill it with items and see how they work. I like the netting feature too. Wait, I missed this one.